you ready to go see the specialist? She's going to see a board-certified avian vet zoologist. Yeah, at the university school. Yeah. Oh my goodness. She's like, I don't know, Mama. I'm scared too. It's going to be an all-day process. Yeah. This medicine that she's on is a pain medicine, an anti-inflammatory. Seems to be giving her some pain relief because she's been playing a lot more this week and chewing on stuff again and having fun again. Yeah. We had to give it to her twice a day. Now we're down to once a day. But they have to sedate her today, so that's going to be some scary stuff. They got to do a blood pressure and a CT scan and probably more blood work. It's going to be very expensive. I'm kind of overwhelmed by all this. But that's what we got credit cards for, right, Winston? Oh my goodness. I almost was thinking of calling you Boone or Shine or go through everyone else's name but Lewis. That's what happens when you're a mom. I always did that to my kids too, call them by each other's names. My mom used to do that to me. Anyway, the point is, Lewis, it's a big day, so prayers would be appreciated. Yeah. Yeah, you ready to go, Lewis? Mama loves you. We're going to get you feeling all better. They're going to find out what's going on and we're going to fix it. That's the goal. That's what we want everyone to pray for. Yeah.